Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what we confidently call the best garbage can stainless steel step pedal on the market, the Glad Small Trash Can, 1.2 gallon. This compact powerhouse blends modern aesthetics with practical features that make it an exceptional choice for your home or office. Let's start with the design. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek, brushed stainless steel exterior. Not only does it look premium and fit seamlessly into any decor, but it also resists fingerprints and smudges, keeping your space looking neat and polished. Its rounded profile and minimalist lines add a touch of sophistication to bathrooms, bedrooms, dorms, and even compact kitchens. Size-wise, this is a 1.2 gallon can, which makes it ideal for small spaces. Measuring approximately 8 by 9.5 by 12 inches, it's perfect to tuck beside your desk, under a counter, or in a bathroom corner. It's small, but not too small, just the right size for daily trash or even things like used tissues, makeup pads, or packaging waste. Just a smooth, silent close every time. This also makes it less disruptive in quiet spaces, like bedrooms or offices. There's more. The lid has a stay open function. If you want to keep the lid up for a longer task, simply open it manually and tilt it back 90 degrees. It will stay open on its own. Just don't step on the pedal when doing this, and you're good to go. It's a thoughtful touch that makes changing bags or tossing in multiple items a breeze. Speaking of ease, inside the can is a removable inner bucket. This inner liner comes with a sturdy metal ring handle, making it easy to lift out, empty, and clean. You can also use it with either 4-gallon or 8-gallon trash bags, giving you flexibility depending on what you have on hand. Whether you're looking to manage pet waste, contain small space garbage, or simply bring more structure and style to your room, this Glad trash can delivers. It's versatile enough for a college dorm, reliable enough for a bathroom, and stylish enough for a modern kitchen setup. So, to wrap up, if you need a compact, elegant, and functional waste solution, the Glad 1.2 gallon stainless steel step can check every box. Durable, quiet, hygienic, and smartly designed, it's easily the best stainless steel step trash can in its class. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product insights coming your way. See you in the next video.